corner. That's it.
Oh, was that you?
Beck? That's Mike, Beck. What are you doing here?
I can't see, it's bad.
You guys all right? We got a problem with Beck. Hey, mate, we're getting low on oil. We gotta move. I'm gonna get you to stand up, okay? I'll take the acetone. That's it. I got you. You're okay. Look, come on. Come on. It's cool. Mike, Harold, I'm Georgie. Put the brakes on, guys. We got a problem. We're out of gas, Doc. We're out of gas. Need to keep moving. Come on. Come on. Mike, Harold, you copy. I need someone. I need someone to come back up with oxygen, over. Somebody please, I'm begging you. Doc, come on, mate, come on! Harold, do you copy, over? Has anyone got eyes? I'm Georgie.
Mate, I've just had Owen Georgie go past me heading down, over. Going down.
Can you stop it? Can you turn him around? I need someone to come back up now.
Hey! Owen Georgie! Owen Georgie!
Base camp, you copy, over.
Headed to Rob, go ahead.
Helen, please. I need a bottle of gas at the top of the Hillary step. I can't get him down without it. I'm really stuffed.
Okay. Understood that you need a bottle of oxygen at the bottom of the Hillary step. We are sending it up to you as soon as we can.
At the top. At the top. The last thing I said to Uncle Georgie was please leave 2 bottles of gas at the South Summit.
Yes, copy that, Rob. Boys, there's oxygen at the South Summit, right?
No, Rob, this is Harold. There's no oxygen at South Summit. Repeat, no O.
Ang Georgie stashed full bottles there, Harold. Harold, where are you? Can you hear me, Harold? Harold? Harold, can you hear me?
I think it'll take me about half an hour to get back up to the South Summit. Okay. Coming. If you don't have oxygen, mate, don't come up. Don't come up. We're moving on. Coming up to you, right? Oh, come on, mate. Come on.
Rob, this is base camp. Rob, this is base camp.
I copy you, Caro.
Rob, can you get yourself down?
Caro, we're not at that point yet.
Rob, can you let us know who you're with?
I'm with Doug. We're both listening. Come on, Dougie. Come on, man. One more effort. Come on.
Rob, what is Doug's state of consciousness?
He's really weak. He collapsed after we ran out of oxygen.
Okay. Give him 8 milligrams of dexamethasone. That's 2 tablets, Rob.
Righto, Rob.
Go ahead, Guy. I got you, mate.
Rob, I suggest you get yourself down. You know, you're doing no good up there. And we've got people that we can send up to help Doug, but you've got to get yourself down. Do you understand?
I mean, come on, man. We're playing with a man's life here. There's no way I'm leaving Doug behind. We gotta keep moving, mate. We gotta keep moving. We're in some trouble.
Yeah, Helen's gonna need some help, so I'm gonna try and make my way back. Okay? Okay. All right. Go on.
Scott! Scott! You okay? Dude, I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm done, pal. I'm done. You go send Anatoly. Send Anatoly back with some more.
Go.
Okay. I will send back Anatolia.
Let's go.
You go down.
No, mate. No, I'm not leaving you behind, Doug. Come on. No, Doug, come on. Come on with me. Only 10 good minutes, Doug. Come on. Please, Doug, come on, mate. 2 minutes. We're to the bottom of the step. Come on, this leg. This leg, Dougie. Come on. Come on. There we go. Where are you?
Oh no. Oh no. Pull that down! Come on! Get that chance!
No, come on, Dougie! Doug, let's go! Hurry up! Summit to get oxygen. Okay, I gotta find oxygen. But you gotta stay here. Okay, stay here.